Weinzimmer, vocal health educator and founder of Voice Body Connection here. Today in my How to Warm Up video series, we're covering sound. Now, sound is the category, I like to use the simple word for it, but we could also use phonation or vibration. It's the thing that's happening at your vocal folds or vocal cords. And it's really important that we have breath and airflow coming through because ultimately the airflow is the thing that really sets the vocal folds into motion. But there is also muscular work that is required to bring the vocal cords into approximation so that they become close enough to start vibrating. And also there's other muscles involved in stretching and releasing them, which changes our pitch. So this is a really simple little stretch for your vocal cords, if you will, and I'm using the words cords and folds interchangeably because they are indeed interchangeable. Super little fun stretch for your vocal cords that involves humming up and down on an M sound. And it's going to be something like this. And you don't have to go all the way up to the top or all the way to the bottom. You can do little increments in between, so you could go or you could do right? You can do whatever you want and go all around. But what you're trying to do is basically when you are changing your pitch, the relationship of your cricoid and thyroid cartilage is changing. And as that changes, as the cricothyroid muscle, this is getting a little complex, I know, as it changes length, it stretches or releases your vocal cords. And you may know from looking at the strings on a piano that the ones that are stretched tighter are higher pitched and the ones that are looser are lower pitched, right? So when our vocal cords stretch longer, they are higher pitched, and when they release, they are lower pitched. So we're trying to smooth out any little cracks or bumps in there, and also the M is really helpful to us because it lets us know that our airflow is happening, right? So again, we go, right? Just have fun playing around. And then the other thing that you want to pay attention to with this exercise is, are you getting a sort of buzzing sensation on your lips? An M is a closed sound, and so if the tube or river or flow, if you will, of sound is truly reaching your lips, then you're going to find a buzzing sound on your lips. Whereas if it's not, if there's kind of some dampening or tightness in the throat, you may find that your lips actually don't buzz as much. So you're trying to get that buzzing sensation as well. As opposed to right? Make sense? All right, so have fun, add this in with your warm-up. Maybe before, I know that a lot of times when I was doing a singing warm-up, I would do my lip trills to start. You could do this right before your lip trills. That might be really fun. Enjoy.